Australian Manufacturing Week is coming up in May in Melbourne. With 7 exclusive product zones, it's the perfect place to discover the latest in manufacturing innovations and technology. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Now, for those in the metalworking, machine tool and supporting sector, head to the AusTech Machine Tool Zone. To learn more about advances in 3D printing, visit the Additive Manufacturing Zone, which includes additive manufacturing users and suppliers. Now, if you're looking for the latest automation innovations to optimize your manufacturing operations, make sure you check out the Robotics and Automation Zone for a hands-on opportunity to see and feel the latest in plastics machinery, mold making technologies, recycling materials, and plastics manufacturing processes. Visit the Plastics Technology Zone. To get optimized solutions to the most common challenges faced by manufacturers, make your way to the Manufacturing Solution Zone. There you'll find answers to things like materials handling and warehousing problems and integrated manufacturing and safety issues. For the welding industry, there's the Weld and Air Solution Zone. And finally, for a celebration of the very best in Australia's precision engineering and advanced manufacturing industry, don't miss the Australian Manufacturers Pavilion. Register to attend now by going to australianmanufacturingweek.com.au, and thank you for watching.